Hello, hello. So we are on day 23. We are going to be going into a new topic today, but go ahead and try the solve and share before watching this video because we will start with going over it. All right, our solve and share says Sally is baking a cake, banana bread, and cookies. She uses 5 cups of sugar for the cake, 4 cups of sugar for the banana bread, and 2 cups of sugar for the cookies. How much sugar does she need in all? So we're trying to find the total amount of sugar. Let's go ahead and look at it. So I have my amounts. Cake is 5 cups, banana bread 4 cups, and cookies 2 cups. So to find the total amount of sugar, I'm going to add these numbers all together. First I have 5 plus 4, which gives me 9 cups. Now I can take that 9 and add 2 more for the amount of cookies, and I'm going to get 11. So the total sugar is going to be 11 cups of sugar. All right, so before we go into our guided practice, we're just going to go over capacity, which is what we're working on today. So capacity is how much something holds. And the units of measurement, or the units that we're going to be working with, are cup, pint, quart, and gallon. So a cup is like a cup of coffee or 1 school milk. A pint is 2 cups, and it's like a container of ice cream. So the smaller containers of ice cream, there's a Haagen-Dazs there, or Ben & Jerry's ice cream, that's a pint. A quart is 2 pints or a large jar. So it looks like they're showing a jar of possibly spaghetti sauce. A gallon is 4 quarts, and it is a large jug of milk. So you can get a gallon of milk, maybe a gallon of lemonade, gallon of sweet tea. So those are the measurements of capacity that we will be working with. So let's go ahead and get into problem 1. So it says, making 3 dozen muffins requires 12 cups of flour. How much flour is needed for making 1 dozen muffins? So I have my 3 dozen muffins and it equals 12 cups of flour. So I need to find out how many cups of flour are in 1 dozen muffins. I can do this by dividing my 12 cups of flour into 3, representing my 3 dozen. This is just another way of saying 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 is going to give me 4. So how much flour is in 1 dozen muffins? It's going to be 4 cups of flour. Number 2, if 1 jar holds 3 cups of water, how much water would 8 jars hold? So I have my 1 jar, gives me 3 cups of water. So I'm going to go ahead and draw out my 8 jars. In each of my 8 jars, I'm going to put 3 lines to represent my 3 cups of water. The picture that I drew represents 8 jars with 3 cups in each jar, or 8 times 3. And I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, which is the same as 8 times 3, 24. So how much water is in 8 jars? It is 24 cups of water. So Jenny wants to buy 8 pints of ice cream for her and her friends. If 2 people can share a pint, how many people can eat the ice cream? So I have my 8 pints and that 2 people share a pint. So I'm going to draw my 8 pints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And split each of them into 2 parts because 2 people can share a pint. So to figure this out, I can do my 8 pints times 2 people per pint, which gives me the same as if I were to add all of these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 people can share, or 16 people can have the 8 pints of ice cream if 2 people share a pint. It's your turn to try the independent practice questions. Make sure to read the problems closely. Good luck!